Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Imprint application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Imprint application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login options. Go ahead and log in using your social accounts or your email address and password, and you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you don't wish to use the Imprint application anymore and you want your account to be deleted, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and this will open your account details. Within this page, you will see the delete account option at the bottom section, which is a red button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Tap on the delete button and this will proceed with deleting your account and you will be logged out from your account on Imprint as well. Once the deletion process has begun, make sure not to log back into your account for at least 2 weeks in order to finalize your deletion. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Imprint application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.